Hello everyone. I hope all of you are fine. It's story time and we have a new story. It's baking a cake. The story is baking a cake. Let's see sounds in focus. It's about Magic E. Do you remember Magic E concept? Yes, it's when you see the magic E at the end of the word, it turns the vowel from the sound of the letter to the name of the letter, and the magic E stays silent. Yes, very good. You are super. And we have here new words. One, pink, green, sorry. Pre-reading questions. Do you like to bake or make anything? Have you ever made a cake? Okay. Describe something you have made. Describe something you have made. Let's remember our story elements. First, it's about the settings. The settings here is at home. The settings here is at home. And characters, we have Kate, Eve, and their dad. Let's read the story. Eve and Kate like to make cakes. Eve and Kate like to make cakes. They make them all the time. So we have here Eve and Kate, and they like to make cakes all the time. They make a cake for mom. Oh, they are so sweet. They make a cake for mom. Eve wants to make a pink cake. Kate wants to make a green cake. Mom likes pink, says Eve. Mom likes green, says Kate. So Eve said Mom likes pink, and Kate says Mom likes green. Oh, they started to yell. Pink, says Eve. Green, says Kate. So they are now yelling. Here comes the dad. Dad is at home. He tells them, we have a rule. We don't yell. So Dad came and told them, we have a rule. We don't yell. Eve and Kate are sorry. They say that they will be good. Eve and Kate are sorry. They say that they will be good. And see, they are hugging each other. So sweet. They make a cake. They make a cake. Let's guess. Will it be green or pink? Let's see. Wow! It's green on one side and pink on one side. It's green on one side and pink on one side. What a brilliant idea! Mom will like this cake, says Dad. Their dad told them that their mother will like the cake. And it's lovely. And I think they made a delicious cake for their mom. And now let's discuss. The girls fell out. Did they find a good way to deal with it? What do you think? What was the good way they made to deal with it? Describe your brother or sister or a friend. Look back over the story and count how many tricky words you can find. Look back over the story and count how many tricky words you can find. Let's search for to, the, they, we. And let's play a game. Find the following words in the word search. Find the following words in the word search. Make, bake, like, rule, home. Make, bake, like, rule, home. Have you recognized that all of these words have magic E? Yes, excellent. Let's search for the word make. Can you find the word make? Yes, great. Bake, bake. Huh? Did you see it? Yes, super. Like, like. Can you see this word? Yes, it's here, but it's upside down. Rule, rule. Yes, very good. Home, home. The last word, home. Super! It's a nice game, I like it. Let's bring a paper, draw pictures and write simple steps to make a cake. Draw pictures and write simple steps to make a cake. Don't forget to send us your drawings. We would like to see them. Don't forget to read the story and have a nice time. See you soon.